The team that we've assembled is just amazing. We have a lot of young men on the job. One of them is my son, one's my son-in-law. My two partners are rock stars. One is a master electrician, and he's a jack of all trades, Dave. And then Robbie, he's a carpenter, and he can read blueprints, and he can lay out floors, and he's awesome. And then we have these younger kids. You know, obviously my son couldn't really do too much in the trade, but now all of a sudden he's turned into a carpenter, along with my son-in-law, who's going to be a finish carpenter. And also on the trades, Dave, my partner, has two of his boys, and it's really fun. And we got a couple of friends involved with that also. One was a roofer, showed us all how to do roofs. We do have some quality, real good quality contractors here on this job, and you'll see it. You'll see the workmanship when you go inside these apartments when they're done. It's phenomenal. We're using a lot of local supply stores, a lot of local contractors, and our team also has assembled a lot of Littleton area folks. So I think we hired 7 people, and we also have Kim, who works in the office, who keeps all of us in line. So it's an awesome team. I can't say enough about them.